Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. For that you will have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just a short together and we're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview or you can send it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger and so on. One more time, the power button and the volume down button just a short together and we're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the preview, you have also the chance to draw something inside or to highlight something. Or here at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After, just confirm here on the checkbox and it will be part of your gallery. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with 3 fingers. So just swipe them across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. One more time, take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen, and you're having a capture as well. Yeah, where to find the screenshots after? Of course, you have the gallery. And yeah, here the photos, they're mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to always go to the albums, because the screenshots will have here their own folder only for your screenshots and screen recordings. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.